Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Firearm.Chicken here, and I am making an unboxing video of some stuff that I got on eBay for my new system. So, what do I open first? Open the USPS stuff, or the hold on a second. Just quickly. Blank out the little number there. Okay. Let's open up the thing that's like fragile first. So, this one here is a piece of paper. Okay, here we go. So, inside of the envelope, there's another envelope. Let's open up the envelope inside the envelope. Ah, yes. My Wheelock SHBB-R backbox. I really like to look at these things. This one I got new in box, or well, new out of box. So this is item number 1. Let's open up this other envelope. Let me just get something to cover up this shipping thingy. Pretty good enough. There we go. This one's like covered in tape. I don't know if you can see that. So, let's see if I can actually get this one to open. Oh, wait. There we go. Ah, yes. So here is my Simplex 4939236. These are actually what were installed in my school prior to the renovations. And this one's still got its one strobe. Okay, so this one's these are 15 candela. You can tell by the little green star in there. Sadly, the Simplex logo on this one's slightly worn there. Looks like they used too big of a screw, and that's why that happened. Hey, but that's okay. So here's what these look like when they're in this kind of back box. I really like these style. They're these 90s style devices, and I like the way this one sounds. This is probably my favorite sounding of Simplex's devices. Okay, now we'll go with the small box. So now this one actually says what's in it on its packing list. So, of course, I won't show that. So, here we go. Here is another. There, readjust that. So this one's a package. So, this way. So I got this one, new old stock. This is what I think it is. Ah, yes. So it's my only Simplex device that actually has its original box. So here it is. It's a 49.39137 strobe. I got this one, new open box. It's new old stock. Okay. So here, this is what it looks like. So we got our little mounting hardware. The manual. Here's the little back for mounting it, and then the actual strobe itself. And this one is also, if I can find it before you can see. $15 candle. Got some minor scratches on the strobe. Here's the little back. So yes, this was new old stock. So that means that the last box, which I figured would be the biggest, would be in the biggest. It only makes sense to it as it's multiple items. I'll do a video testing and showing off everything that I got here soon. That's just the item. I really like the 49.39236s. They're such nice looking devices. Yeah. I'm just saying that because it was in my school. I think I've always thought that the rectangular 90s devices looked nice. Oh, here we go. The last item. So I apparently, hold on. Bend this down while I look at the contents of this box. So I think this has a second. This thing's like a reused box here. Got some other address on the inside of this thing. Hold on. Here is these. So this is what it is. If you don't know what those are, they're still sealed. Yeah, might as well. These are new in-box. I don't know if Simplex still makes these, but they are. So, where is this open? It's okay. These. It is a backbox for a Simplex T-bar. Okay. I got 5 of them. Nothing too fancy. I've got 5 working condition, or not slightly broken T-bars. So that's what I'm going to do. So I bought these. My 6th one is slightly broken as it has a crack, or as its lock is bent. So here is what I've got. These are the only 2 things that everything here is new in box, or either new old stock, new out of box, or new in box. Except for this. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.